Good morning. So don't judge the fact that my head is not done and my face is greasy. I just woke up and I just finished working out. So I wanted to try out some new skincare recently, so I decided to try out the Holy Hydration line from e.l.f. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the cleanser, their hyaluronic acid serum, as well as their moisturizers. They have several moisturizers and none of them tell you any great details about what they're for. However, comma space. Favorite one is this one here, the Hydro Gel moisturizer. The daily moisturizer is not bad. It just doesn't feel quite as rich. So yeah, they all say they're for all skin types though. Okay, so this is their Bounce Back Jelly Cleanser. It is a non-foaming cleanser, which I rather enjoy, especially if you have dry skin. You want to ensure that you are not doing anything that's going to strip your hydration even more. So this one here, it is nice. I will say if you have sensitive skin, I would not recommend it, primarily because, one word, say it with me, fragrance. However, when we are working with this, it's nice because it's not super stripping. The third person I would probably not recommend this for is somebody who has coconut sensitivities, because this cleanser does have coconut oil and coconut ingredients in it. Don't mind my old man eyebrow hairs. They need to be trimmed. And that's the only spot I grow hair, because these are fake. Okay, so don't judge those. From there, I'm going to be using the Triple Bounce Serum. I would usually put this in my hands, but I'm trying to show you the product, so I'm gonna go ahead and just apply it directly to my face. Usually I would not recommend doing it like that. It's not a bad serum. It is a little watery compared to the serums I'm used to, but it still has a nice serum feel and not like a straight up water feel. And it's much more affordable than most serums I'm used to. So I wanna say this serum here was $12. Whereas the serum that I usually use is like 40, because he's old, but he ain't trying to look it. The hyaluronic acid serums, you always want to apply those to wet skin. Don't say I didn't tell you. We're gonna give that a chance to dry down some, and then from there I'm gonna go in with some moisturizer. Okay, so it's had a chance to dry down some, and now I'm gonna go in with the Hydrogel moisturizer. We're just gonna do about maybe 3 pumps, I'd say, of that one there. And I'm gonna go ahead and place it on here. Things I love about this moisturizer is the fact that you can slather it on and it does not bead up or ball up like some moisturizers do in other brands, which for me is not a major ordeal. But if you are a makeup wearer, you don't want your products beating up on you underneath your foundation. Always be really gentle right there under the eyes. That's delicate skin, all in that eye area. Don't be doing a bunch of pulling. Calm it down. Making sure we work that all down and through here. All of that's important skin too. We don't need you looking smooth here and you know, looking a little used up right here. This is after everything has dried down. Okay. I still need to do this raggedy head of mine. Don't look at that. I told you. But look at the level of dewiness to that skin. My skin is completely dry.
Just like my text messages, but my skin is not dehydrated.
The nice thing to me is it looks like this throughout the day. As the day goes on, I get slightly more oily, but it doesn't look like you fried chicken with your whole face, which is lovely. But yeah, I would recommend this line. The only one that I have some issues with is honestly the cleanser, the jelly cleanser. I haven't tried the other ones just because of the coconut and the fragrance, because the fragrance is rather strong. The moisturizers and the serum, I do enjoy. Serum's a little thin, but the price is fair, and sometimes you get what you pay for. And in this instance, I still think it beats the price. I'm gonna go do something with this because right now I have a halo and it ain't the heavenly kind. Okay, so listen, it is the end of the day. I just woke up from a nap, so y'all know I'm greasy. But baby, look. Look at it. It's lovely. My skin likes it. He likes it. Yeah, I'll say it's nice it controls the oil enough. It doesn't stop it, because baby, I'll still be frying chicken with this face. We fry whole buckets of chicken with this face. However, the level of balance that it gives is quite nice. Okay. Now, still, we could, child, if your lips is ashy, all you gotta do is kiss right there, baby. It's fixed. I just wanted you to see what it looked like later, and don't judge the fact that I look half asleep, because I am. Okay, love you, bye.